Fuck, Bernie. Ooh, ooh, snap! Not prepared, baby. Prepared. Oh shit. What's up? What's up? What's good, y'all? Get on the YouTube. It's your boy, Legal Alien, coming at you live, baby. Live. Let's go. Hold on. Let me say, take care to 2-bit. Take care, bro. Bit and crew. Take care. Let's go. Let's go, baby. We're bullish. You know what we're throwing on today. Go. Let's go. Y'all bullish? Nothing like a midday alien stream. Let's go, baby. We got 2-bit. I mean, 2-bit. We got Biz in the house. Sorry. Fucking Bernie's fake 2-bit account threw me off again. Fucking. Fuck you, Bernie. You fucking dickhead. Oh, let's see. Me and Steve were having a conversation here. Was that 3 hours ago now? Your boy was live playing some Fortnite, getting some dubs, slaying some cheeks, clapping some cheeks. Let's go. How's your day going? Fantastic, Steve. How's yours? Actually, we were chatting in that stream. Let me skip down here. Which bullish as fuck. We got Bernie in here, acting as 2-bit. Someone screenshot this right here and send it to 2-bit. Send me a link so I can talk about my new project. You fucking asshole. Let's see, man. Michael Mabry says, I'm telling you, if these people don't stop talking about buying more Loonsea and start spreading money all over the small tokens while we're at the bottom, they're going to regret it. I agree, dude. I agree. I think, I mean, a lot of people just talking about Loonsea, you know, well, not a lot of people are just, you know, riding trends. And the thing is about those communities, not every one of them is going to stay on Loonsea. So, I mean, as soon as Loonsea goes away, they go away too. Will the real 2-bit please stand up? 2-bit just got off the stream, bro. He's not in here talking about I'm gonna want to talk about my project, bro. Oh shit. Let's see. Hold on. We're gonna chill today, y'all. Little chill vibes on the stream. Where's the matcha one? Let's go. Oh. That's about halfway. That's good. Should be good, I think. Here, let me check the audio levels one real quick on my other screen. Second, y'all. Alright, it's playing now. Yeah, that's not bad. Alright, cool. Just making sure. Let's go. Let's go, babies. What up, what up? Will the real 2-bit please stand up? That is definitely not the real 2-bit. Fuck off, Bernie. Oh, shit. Just felt like I had to sneeze. Whew. Sorry about that, yo. Started following you. Damn, I'm almost at 10K. I feel like hitting 10,000 steps is super easy. I don't know. I like set a goal for 10,000. I feel like it's too easy. Let's see. Nothing like a midday alien stream. Let's go, baby. You know this biz. You know the vibes, bro. Okay, I'm here now. Let's go. I felt so fucking bad. For 2-bit? Yeah, dude, that shit was funny. 2-bit is a legend. He is a legend, bro. I need a good pump right now. Shit. Yo, are you Bernie, bro? Saitama Guru 1. Is that you, Bernie? Sounds like Chinese country music. I don't know what it is, Michael, but I like it. I like it. It's a good vibe. Yo, we got crypto realists in the house. What up, Jeremy? The most major trend that I see is buy the bottom, sell the top. We're there, dude. You think the bottom's in, Michael? Crypto realist, BP, Border Patrol, baby. What up, Lazy Jedi? Bernie, BP. Michael Mabry. Wait, why is Michael Mabry cracking up? No, what the fuck? What are you talking about, Bernie? It is you, bro. Cool Cat Crypto in the house. What up, Cool Cat? What's good? What's good, my G? Good, what's good? And if we go to live scene, you will see we're crossing the border right now. I don't know, for whatever reason my window capture isn't working. It is tweet. Wait. It is latest. Okay. Sure. Yeah. Cool. Back in business, baby. Whether you buy at 15,000, 18,000, it's 180K. Does it really matter where you bought? No, it doesn't. You're right. You're right. Cool Cat. Hey, Tim. You're not wrong about that, bro. You're not wrong about that. Where is my Bitcoin chart? 20,000. Need a refresher. 20,050. We're barely at the 20,000 range. Holding right now. Hodling. We're at the bottom. Then we're at the bottom. You think 15,000 would be the absolute bottom? About to go into IKEA with a wife. Wish me luck. Call authorities in 3 hours if you don't hear from me. All right, Jeremy. Have a great one in IKEA, bro. What do y'all? Oh, well, you're about to take off. Take care, dude. Even the shittiest tokens with a bunch of zeros will lose multiple zeros in the bull run. Even if they're dog shit tokens, buy up as many dog shit piles as you can. You think so, man? Even with all the tokens that go to shit? I mean, how many tokens are there? Let's go on CoinGecko. I know they report more tokens. I haven't been on CoinGecko in a while. Let's see. Dark mode wasn't even on. 13,188 coins. Ah, damn. 590 exchanges. Really that many? They all do the same fucking thing. Ah, damn. Did you tweet? No, Tim, I didn't. Good call. Good call. I didn't. I had the tweet ready too. Fuck, I forgot to hit tweet. I'm tweeting it now though. Thank you for reminding me, Tim. And if you are on the tweeters and you feel inclined to do so, help your boy out. Hit it with a like and a retweet. Spread us in that good old algorithm. About to go into IKEA. Bernie, did you tweet? No, I didn't. Tim Shea, thank you for the reminder. Put it this way. If I put $10,000 on 20 different tokens, even if 5 of those go to 0, the rest will put 2 commas in my account. Yeah, you're not wrong. Why is this dude adding himself? Saitama Guru 1, at Saitama Guru 1. Is there 2 Saitama Guru 1s? Bruh. Hold on. Let me see. He'll no AI. He's our dad. He yo daddy. Steve is dad. What the fuck is going on? Oh lord. Alright. What the hell's going on in crypto? Refresh over here. See what the fuck is going on. Oh, the MetaMonkey Pure Wallet is out on Android, Apple Play Store. I mean, not Apple, Android Play Store. Does anyone here have an Android? Has anyone tried it out? I don't have an Android, so I have not tried it. 3 Euros Capital NFTs collections to be liquidated. Ooh, hold on. What are they holding there? Crap, I didn't mean to do that. Part of 3 Euros bankruptcy. Over 300 NFTs from Starry Night Capital were moved this week. Starry Night Capital, weren't those pretty expensive? Yeah, value sits at $35 million. Tiny fraction of 3AC's debt of $2.8 billion to its creditors. Pseudonym BVD Vincent Van Doe. Joint liquidators in an effort to protect ALS. Dude, look at it. Why are they using acronyms? Court if required. In 2021, you don't have any formed Starry Night Capital. File the check. We're going to wait on the wallet. I think it's cool. You'll be able to turn it off. I'm going to wait on the wallet. Oh, Tim, you have an Android? You haven't even tried downloading it, like to check it out? I mean, I wouldn't import. Well, yeah, me personally, I wouldn't import my wallet or anything on there. I'm pretty sure you can create a fresh wallet. I need to finish listening. Yeah, Android. Nice. Starry Night's Capital NFT collections will be liquidated. Literally the same one. Hello, peeps. What up, Vic? What's going on, Vic? Good afternoon, brother. Swift says it can resolve a major obstacle on CBDC adoption. Swift payment solutions? Is that what I'm thinking of? Already being used to connect more than 11,500 banks. Maybe I will later with a fresh MetaMask. You don't even need to do a fresh MetaMask, Tim. I'm pretty sure you should be able to create a wallet from within the app itself. Like a fresh wallet on the app. One. Wait, where are we putting one, Vic? Did I ask a question? No. I don't remember. Well, at least the question that warranted the answer. Maybe not. Swift. An indicator. Assets can move seamlessly on existing financial infrastructure. Already being used to connect more than 11,500 banks and funds across 200 countries. It has all to do with infrastructure, but it has all to do with familiarity. 11,500 banks. Standard for cross-border CBDC payments. Dang, XRP nut huggers don't want to hear this. This is not bullish for XRP. Nah, wait. Hold on. Dude, please tell your brother. Wolf Pig, move on while others get sold on by the marketing wallet. 45 ETH at a time. Don't pay no mind to that, everyone. Crazy, man. Oh shit, Victor Pena and RD Price. Oh, the Twitter drama continues. PP. Well, if it isn't the Border Patrol. What is for XRP? Oh, $1? Fucking nut huggers. Fucking ball funnelers, baby. Interchangeable. Goddamn. So, I think we're gonna bring on our special guest again here today. So, Stuart, why is Cadino pumping today? No, okay. I need to add more shit like that. That's actually kind of funny. Being able to add images in and out. Can I add GIFs? Yeah, I can. I can add GIFs. Can add GIFs. Dahmer. Is that Jeffrey Dahmer, bro? That's Stuart Popejoy, bro. That is the founder, CEO of Cadena. Let's go, baby. Put him right there in the corner for right now. Someone send this to Bernie. It's only up like 6%. Wait, what's up like 6%? XRP? Oh shit. I thought I turned it off. Oh, I turned on the coin. That's what I did. Whoops. Alright. Only up like 6. GMX went down a little bit. XRP's up 3%. KDA. Oh, I saw. Yeah, I heard 2-bit say it was pumping, so I figured it'd be more than that. It's crazy how we're so deep into a bear market. We call 3 to 6% pumping. It's not even up. Where's it at? Where's Kadena at? Wait, is Kadena even a top 100 coin? I don't think it is it? Am I tripping? No, it's not. It's 112. Wow, what a shit coin. 2.7%. Bullish as fuck. Poke joy. What's new this world? New this afternoon in the ever-falling world of shit coins. On Twitter, it looks like RD Price and Awesome Austin are going at it. It is now. Ooh, Dr. Victor Pena. Oh, he's at it again. Oh, this was in Rodney's stream. This dude was really sitting in there not commenting, just screenshotting shit. I don't know why I was laughing at Bernie's comment there. I sold my Terra weeks ago after Dr. P cashed out, and they keep cashing out. Like, they are literally taking funds out right now on top of the holders. Do you not see that? Was this really him? It's not a claim. Dr. P sold from his personal wallets on the blockchain. Everyone to see. He has, I believe, when he says he hasn't sold his pre-sale wallets. Let's not get that mixed up with your statement above. They are his personal wallets. What business is it of yours if he buys, sells his own investments? You only bring this up because you're just another YouTube drama queen. Why not move on and mind your business? Immaturity exemplified. I mean, okay. Of course you would say this, RD. I wouldn't expect anything less from you. Is that 45 ETH going to pay your salary too? Ooh. Because it's a lot of money as a senior advisor of the project. In addition, it's a lot of money from the marketing wallet too. I understand you don't want to speak about this because you would never want new investors to know they could get dumped on by the devs. I understand. Absolutely. When I'm making two, move on. Let the people touch sour patches. Move on, we'll get sold on when the market will only 45 ETH at the time. That's what we do now. Don't pay no mind to that, everyone. Crazy. Are you on drugs? What? Sound unhinged? How does he sound unhinged? They're using investor money. They're dumping, bro. They're dumping. So 3% on 100x leverage is a lot. Yeah, you're right. It's 300%. Vic. You're right. 3% is a large move with 100x leverage. God damn it, Vic. You fucking degenerate, bro. You heard 3%. You're like, well, wait a minute there, sir. 3%'s a lot. You fucking degen, bro. This is why you don't tie your name to a project. I mean, he's not wrong, though. He's calling him out. Comment on the screenshot suggests Dr. P sold out from the pre-sale wallet. Not once he mentioned it was his personal one. I have no issue with Austin, but it looks to me he's trying to divert the heat away from MetaMonkey. That's how you're reading it, not how I said it. We all know Dr. P hasn't sold his pre-sales. He's already said that his private wallets have been sold, and we all know that. That's how it's come across from the way you said it. I've been wanting... That's been on my mind. When did your stream had your meltdown about Dr. P selling? Meltdown? I wouldn't call that a meltdown. Savage. Clickbait twins. Damn. Form of a cat too. What? I swallowed a nut. I mean, that was a joke. Dude, this bear market needs to end, man. If this wouldn't be happening if we were in a bull market. I still think it's crazy that Rodney's partnered with BTFA though. 4,000 mints. Get ready to refresh. Man, that's insane. Good luck to them though. I hope NFTs go well. They make money. What up, Legal Alien? What up, Crypto Jones? What's good, my brother? How are you? How are you? Man. Man. What a show. Let's get speaking facts. How much spot aggression we need to apply to pump back compared to with how little trace more. It's more than insane at this point. It's purposely being ignorant, in my opinion. Love the red eyes. Thank you, Crypto Jones. We're bullish on Bitcoin, baby. Long term, of course. Right now, I'm not. What up, Crypto Art? What's a good, fam? It's more than insane. What's more than insane right now, Steve? Professor to Crypto. Dream Labs. Went sideways for 3 straight months. It's 4 months almost. In like, it's already been 4 months actually. Hold on. I'd say this whole range here is from June 3rd, 12th. So yeah, 13th, 12th, whatever. Since that big dump, the 13th. So yeah, in 1 week it'll be 4 months. That's a technicality. Who gives a fuck? Doesn't matter. Apples and oranges. We've been moving sideways. La pinche luna turning red, burning. What the fuck? Oh, that's what you're talking about, Steve. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. Yo no sé. You know, it still didn't fill that whole gap. From 25 to 28. I'm gonna save this. Oh, hey, Crypto Art. November. Now it goes out to December. I remember before I would look at this trend. My head hurts. What the fuck is going on? Like bad? Damn, Bernie, what's wrong, bro? Queen P, what up? What up? Cool cat. Yo. What's up with the cat, bro? Wait. Why? I don't know, but I like it. I want to remember ticket profits. At 4L Tony. He's using the COVID excuse again. Just admit it, bro. You can't leave the country. Yo. Dead, bro. I'm dead. Again? Bro, no way. Ain't no way, dude. Yo. Woo. What up? What's up, Queen P? Yo, no. No. Bruh. Wrong film. There's a puss in my boots. There's a snake in my boot. They're just talking about, bro. Feeling extremely aggravated. Spent the last couple days trying to reroute flights since the airline would not accept a photo of my vaccine card. Took a PCR. Just now got the results back. No flight. Puts me into Dubai prior to the weekend. Have the worst luck. For a guy who makes boss moves, you'd think he'd plan ahead a little better. Here's how it works. As a convicted felon in the US, there are countries in which you must obtain a special waiver on top of your passport. Each country is different. For instance, in Dubai, there is a zero tolerance policy for drugs. You cannot get a waiver with drug conviction. It is not always a simple process. Charter a fucking jet to Dubai, you poor son of a bitch. Oh, fuck. It's Boogie, baby. Going hard. Those micheladas kicking in or qué? Who, me, man? Nah, I don't drink, bro. I tried to form a comment, but I'm actually speechless. Oh, shit, dude. Dude, there's no way. Dude, that's hilarious, bro. Thank you for tagging me in that pic. Dude, that is so funny, bro. Dude. I just downloaded Pure Wallet by the thanks to MetaMonkey. I was about to take on. I wonder who's actually used it. Gratitude. Yes, sir, always. Watch out, King Savage. Oh shit, Austin's going live. When is he going live? Back script club. Clock the back door. Yo, I thought I responded to these. I did. Oh, I guess I just didn't hit refresh. It's because there's no liquidity left for anyone else. Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Augustine, he is? Oh, okay, cool. Right on. Nope, just care about people and think it's important to talk about things I don't agree with, but I appreciate you checking in on me and asking me questions. Thank you. I think I don't understand, bro. Damn. Look, I wish the project will, but their account's botted, bro. Get the followers to engagement ratio. That's a dead giveaway for any account. Followers to engagement ratio. You see like 10K followers and you see like a retweet to 3 likes, 5 likes on a tweet. I think I got hit with bots for a good while too, though. That's what I'm saying. That's why I want Elon to buy this Twitter, man. I don't care. I don't care if I lose followers to follow him, man. I don't want bots on Twitter. Shit's annoying. Oh, Teddy Ganja. Where's Teddy been? Teddy been live streaming? Legal Alien, you ain't never live, fam. I try not to, Crypto Jones. I try not to, bro. I try not to, man. You know, and it's easier not to live when you kind of, I mean, you're you have no horse in the race, bro. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't care, dude. I don't care if I can scroll through my phone too. There's bots on my shit too. BBW, love, food, sex, and crypto. What the fuck? What? Oh, hell no. Is this a real account? Hansi's followed it. Memento. He has a new board. He's been busy. Wait, who's been busy, Vic? Oh, Teddy. That's right. Yeah. I was like, wait. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I forgot. He does. U.S. lawmakers request Justice Department share CBDC assessment. Bitcoin outperforms traditional crypto stocks in 2022 by up to 22%. Why are we bullish? Live in 47 hours? Seriously? They posted their live stream 2 days in advance? That's something. Any other videos on here? Ethereum is decentralization theater. Let's check this out.
Is literally just recreating the fiat system on the blockchain. Like, they're not doing anything new, no innovation there. It's becoming very obvious to me that they are captured, whether ETH and shitcoiners understand this or not. Like, we brought the receipts on this show over and over and over again, the connection between the ETH Foundation and the World Economic Forum. And then furthermore, you know, like you've been showing today, you know, Jeff Bezos being the biggest node runner on Ethereum. It's like, it's all centralized, and now these shitcoiners are realizing that this is why we fight so much to make sure that we can run and use our own nodes. Like, I think this is further proof that Bitcoin maximalists or the Toxie Maxis out there are right once again, and this is why we do what we do, because I am not here to do decentralization theater. Like, I'm here for the truth, and the truth is Bitcoin is the only one that is decentralized out here. There is Bitcoin and there is shitcoin, and this is just further proof that shitcoins are just cover for Bitcoin.
I don't know, where's that? Oh well. Huh. Yeah, Ethereum decentralization is a joke. In case anyone didn't know. Supply dupply, bro. What's going on? Ain't shit going on right now. Crypto wise, not much. Sideways action. Some sideways action. Sideways action, man. I got this scenario set up for a short on Ethereum, but it's taking its sweet ass time to break out of this trend. Is Bernie here? Bernie was here. MK, what's going on, MK? So, what way are you manipulating the market this afternoon, Legal? You lunking? Bring the beaver. I am not, bro. I am not lunking. I'm not lunking. I stopped lunking a while ago. But, you know, I hope it does well. There's just too much supply, man. And then that Binance burn was only 1.6 million. The 5.5 billion. Then you have all these LARPers on YouTube and Twitter just sucking Luna Classic's cock, bro. No other nice way to put it. Just messing with Bernie. Oh yeah. I don't know. I don't think he's in here right now. Not here right now. He was here earlier. Wrong film. Yeah, I don't know what he's doing, man. I don't know what he's up to. So it looks like, let's see, is Austin live now? Probably is. It's nuts, but I still got a bag. Up to 3x. Yes, sir. Let's go, dude.
All right, yeah, just share your screen and I'll pull it up here for you. Okay. And just what's up, everyone in the chat in the car? Good to see you. Thanks for becoming a member of the A team again. I know you were one of my first. I think you might have been mine. No, I think you might have been one of the first. But
probably drinking cold tea. Yeah, Bernie. Hell yeah, bro. Bernie's for sure drinking cold tea. Oh, you know what? We saw this in the news. The SWIFT saying it's connected to more 11,500 banks in across 200 countries to move towards CBDC adoption, which is not good news for XRP. Ripple. That was kind of interesting. That we saw earlier. The South Carolina Treasurer going to El Salvador to see how Bitcoin worked. Seeks to raise 22.8 million in stake offer. Mining stock reports. Yeah, ain't too much going on. Interesting for sure. MK, yeah, Swift. Swift is a huge payment solution platform. That's not great news for XRP. One kiss in Quadri. Oh, that one. Ondar. Hype man, haha. Birthday baby, yay. Oh dang. Homie's okay. I'm not lunking, bro. Not. Are you lunking? Are you buying the dip, bro? If you're up 2-3x, damn. Bro, why does it log me out? I don't understand. I don't ever log out of here. Really don't understand. 2-9. Oh, it lost the 3 range. That's unfortunate. Did I ever get a text? No, I did not. I did not. Thousands to 4. Staff is bloated. Oh shit. Are they tweeting about Elon buying Twitter? People aren't. There's some people that aren't happy about that. Every Twitter employee has quit. What the fuck? Then he said unto Felicia, "Make haste with thy departure." AMK. Tim Shea, what up, bro? Plan worked perfectly. A hard no. What the fuck is going on? Bernie woke up. He might fit in. Bernie, you dickhead. You fucking bellin', bro. Jim Shay, hey. $13.47. Nasdaq. Art market closed. Wow, dude. No movement, pretty much. Negative 0.08%. I mean, down, but that's nothing. Fucking crabbing, bro. Huge crab. QQQ 0.05%. Amazon, Google. Tesla down 3%. 3.5%. Netflix 1.6%. Tesla's been taking a beating, bro. Elon needs to stop tweeting. Oh, really? I mean, I'm sure if I zoom out, it still looks good. Oh, shit. That 2-day doesn't exist. Day chart, the week chart. Been trading since 2010. Yeah, that's still bullish. Dude, it was $1.50 in 2010. Are you serious? It was under $1. Fuck. Anyone here bought Tesla under 10? I mean, under $1? Holy shit! Cool cat crypto. What up? What up? Low of $1. I was right at $1. It was the lowest price ever. God damn, bro. Dang. Imagine buying Tesla at $1. June 6, 2010. What were you doing on that day? I was 14, so I couldn't have bought it anyway. That's insane. Damn, I was 14. Holy shit. Iron Lux Trader, what up, bro? Hacker forfeits 21 million worth of Bitcoin to Fed. Sentenced to 20 years in prison. Shit. Hacker forfeits 20 years in prison. A Canadian hacker. The DOJ, Sebastian Vachon Desjardins, has been sentenced to 20 years in prison. NetWalker ransomware attacks. Underground Japanese Zen Garden Beat has me so chilled out right now. Right, Biz? I like it, man. It's a loop I can tolerate listening to over and over. It's relaxing for sure, bro. The rest in January 2021. He's roughly 544k and 719 Bitcoin. God damn. Stealing victims' data. Darn Canadians, bro. Steve, were you in on that, bro? Did you get a cut? Golden Tree receives 5.3 million stake in Sushi Swap token. U.S. lawmakers request Justice Department share CBDC assessment. CBDC. Sanctions, crypto mixer. The Justice Department was tasked with reporting on potential threats. I mean, if you think about it, we're already pretty much at a digital dollar. I mean, not all the way there, obviously, but most people don't even operate with cash at all. They don't use cash ever. Outperform traditional crypto stock. 22%. Fuck off. Riot blockchain. are down up to 74%. Orange line shows Bitcoin's decline in 2022. Wait, isn't this the one Bernie was showing? BDC. MicroStrategy block. Crypto stocks underperform. Change the music legal. I like it, but need a new sensation in my earballs. I got you, bro. I got you. I think that one's probably chill too. Is it too loud? I can turn it down too. Or off completely. It's just that one I could I can stand being looped. Like the other ones, I'm like, man, I'm tired of this shit. There's one I like listening to one time, but yeah, it got tiring quick. Dude, I love this guy. Those memes are hilarious. Can you lick the mic? MK, no, I'm not doing that, bro. What the fuck? You guys are weird, bro. I'll put on a mic licker for you though, bro. I got you. Put on some Twitch. I got you, my G. Bastards. Shaman, what up, bro? Hot tub stream, let's go. Valorant. Bikini yoga. Visual ASMR. Go to ASMR. I got you, bro. Double Dior ASMR. Don't judge me. Look at this. Oh my god, bro. I can't. Oh my goodness, bro. Dude, I can't believe. Dude, I can't. How is there 2,700 motherfuckers watching this? You could at least be. What the actual fuck is happening, bitch? So you guys were hella quiet. Now y'all are chatty, bro. Queen says gross. Oh, oh, this is as close as it's gonna get to me licking the mic, MK. Free the nipple. I was on another examiner and slurping. That's not less serious. Keep that promise. Dude. Alright. Alright, I'm over it. I'm over it, man. Sonya really likes it. I think so. I think Sonya was a fan for sure. Oh, that's hilarious, man. That's too funny. Imagine how awkward that would be if she goes to the grocery store and meets a fan. Why does she have 4 ears? Those things are made that way, bro. They're like double-ended ears. I don't know. We looked them up. What was it, yesterday? They're $400. If you're interested on Amazon, I could send you a link. My Amazon affiliate link, bro. Multiples. Oh shit. Damn it, it's playing that one again. $24,000 traders liquidated. 62 million in liquidations in the last 24 hours. Dumble-elded dild. I mean ears. There is MK. That is right. MK is correct. There is a used market for those. Yeah, I'm pissed. When the actual fuck is happening? Yo, Biz, when are we going to Thailand, bro? Yo, I wish I heard that conversation me, Biz, and Gingy had. About going to Thailand. Yo, that shit was so funny, dude. I wish we streamed that whole conversation, Biz. That shit was too funny, dude. You ever get drunk? You're surrounded by lady boys. Pre-licked mics. That's right. That's right. Come on, do something. I'm down. Let's go, dude. We're going to Bangkok or Phuket. The Phuket or fuck it. Excellent entry. Can't see it. Get week will stream rugged. I have my week planned out. Yo, what the fuck? Bernie, fuck off, dude. That's fucked. You could at least pull out the cucumber. Nah, bro. This is wrong stream, dog. I knew it would bring the energy. Asking for me to lick the mic. I need this laugh every day. Addicted. 6%. What's up? Oh, hold on. I have it in top chat, not live chat. Damn it. Not gonna lick the mic. Keep forgetting to put it on live chat. Not. I'm down. Oh shit. Are we getting the movement I asked for? Damn! Look at that pump, baby. Let's go! Pump it, pump it. Oh, they really had a $1.9 million buy order set at fucking 95 Bitcoin. 20,100. So if I was that same I don't know, man. Helium, FTC network. Have we bottomed? FTX Sam Bankman-Fried weighs in on state of crypto as prices consolidate. Responsive to general macro investment. And big reason is what we're driving markets to change it, which is leading to the strengthening and weakening of fiat currencies. If the dollar strengthens, it's going to strengthen against Exxon, it's going to strengthen against Amazon, and it's going to strengthen against Bitcoin. When you have a weakening, you're going to see the inverse. A lot of macro is being driven by moving currency. That's going to move crypto price against dollars. We're not seeing acute pain in the same way that we're week to week after Terra Luna and Three Arrows incident. Things are a little of a holding pattern. How to prevent the next Terra 3AC. Hey, legal, check out ALBT. Sure thing. Where do I find that? Is that on Dex Tools or what? ALBT. Alliance block. This one. Oh wait. Damn, 33%. Now that's a pump. Now that's a real pump right there, ladies and gentlemen, not 3%. 40% spike in volume. Yes, awesome. Don't listen to me, but if we have hit the bottom, the top of the next run will be next 90K. You think so, MK? End of 2025. 90K. Only went 21K over the previous. So if we hit lower, you think it'll be a higher high? What do you think, MK? I checked my bag and said, what? Yeah, what's up with this? Dude, it's doing, well, in the last month, it's doing really well. 3 months, doing okay. Ooh, it's doing terrible in the last year. Yo, that's nasty looking. That is not a good looking chart. I have a bag of Alliance block, part of my 19 crypto purchases yesterday. Nice, dude. So you're up 40% then. What made you buy it? Go to 10K, we will triple top. It's math, no lower high. What math are you using, MK? Curious to hear what brings you to this conclusion. I bought a month ago. Nice. It looks like fuck math. That shit is racist. Yo, what the fuck? How's math racist? Whose meds is this? Yo, what? It's going to become a part of ISOcoin soon. Oh shit. Okay, okay. Bridge between traditional and digital capital markets for all participants, perfecting how TradFi would be designed today with current technology. Then its ecosystem streamlines issuance, validation, and clearance while integrating a progressive regulatory compliance framework in order to reduce costs and increase efficiency. I don't know. I saw it on CNN. Total bull run percentage divided by 5.3 gives you percentage of next bull run. Total bull run percentage divided by bull run percentage from where, MK? Bull run percentage, you mean, so for example, just to make sure I'm following what you're saying, make sure I'm picking up what you're putting down. You mean from like this low to the high here, 69, the 3K low to 69K? Is that what you mean? All 4 bull runs. How long is it? Pause. More than happy to show. I can show you more, but not on stream. LOL. The whole history of Bitcoin. Dude, MK, yeah, hell yeah, dude. Not on stream? Yeah, bro, you don't have to show me on stream. I'm curious, dude. I like learning shit like that. That's cool. Whole history of Bitcoin. I'm glad I bought it. I did a search on CoinGecko and thought it was interesting and had potential. I'm weird. Nah, MK? Nah, dude. I like that kind of shit too. OCD. Same. Same, I just haven't been as what's the word I'm looking for? Frenched? Maybe a different word. Let me make this one. I don't know why I have that one. No, I like looking at this kind of statistics. Well, or is there a theory that comes from, or how do you figure that? I'd probably look into it on stream even. $25% in the market just in case I'm wrong. I gotcha. Good risk management. I saw a stream and it was suggested as a less expensive alternative to quant. Looked into it and saw the potential. That's where you saw the ALBT? That's interesting. A less expensive quant. No fucking way. Oh no. I'm back. Back in the building. Let's go. Welcome back, Bernie. We missed you, bro. Did you just read that terrible news in the chat? What the fuck? That's reporting. Here comes the shit storm. Tom Guru. Co-stream legal, what the fuck? I am on stream, bro. What do you mean, Shaman? I don't believe in the guys buying packages, but the video about the theory is on Crypto Crew University's channel. I have had you look at him before. Fuck off, Bernie. Have you, MK? I don't recall, man. I do not recall. Oh, is this Augustine actually using it? The Metal Monkey? Oh, yeah. That's cool. He's demoing it live. Yo, what's good? Heartless Stoic in the building. I remember things, lol, yes. Are you sure, MK? You sure that was me, bro? Hold on. Did you tell me to look it up on stream? Or was it on a DM? I don't even know what your Twitter ad is. Leaves can eat a dick, shit it out, and eat it. Damn. What was it again? Crypto Crew University's channel? Oh, I'm subbed, so you're probably right. Maybe I did. Maybe I have looked at this. I don't think, maybe I didn't actually see it. Simpin' and pimpin'. Oh shit, it's complicated. Got a new video. Simpin' and pimpin'. Rules of modern dating and understanding women. It's complicated. YouTube censored my last comment. Did it really? I see it. Trans teacher with huge prosthetic breasts causes uproar. The fuck? Positive you played at 2x and followed his channel on stream? That must have been a while ago, dude. Yeah, dude, I love Abba and Preach, bro. Abba and Preach are the shit, dude. They're so funny, bro. Less expensive alternative. What the fuck? I'm back. I wonder which time would taste worse, first or second. It's a shocking next top video. Shocking next top. Just saw that vid. Was it good, bro? What am I talking about? Every Abbott and Preach video is pretty damn good. The ugly reality of Bitcoin bull run top. Fuck off, bro. You don't want this smoke, sus motherfucker. Yo, what the hell? Legal aliens in the chat. Yo, hold on. What picture, Birdie? What? Hold on. What is up with this picture, bro? Is that you? Yo, what? Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Oh, I'm blowing it up. I'm blowing it up, bro. Who is this dude? Oh, I guess this is me now. Stop the dogs. Make it stop. Oh shit. Legal. Make it stop. Oh shit, that's funny. Stop the docs. Yo, there's Bernie, y'all. I don't know who's who anymore. Fuck off. Yo, no way, dude. You're making me wet, sus motherfucker. Yahweh. Bernie's legal? No. That's Bernie right there in the picture. Does Saitama hold spaces? Have they realized the company makes zero money? Are they still holding spaces right now? Bro, they might be. I wonder who would taste worse, first or second? Shaman, censored. I just saw that vid. Nobody buy the signals package, but I can't lie, he has been spot on for about a year. Which AMK, it's the shocking next top video. Signals package. Yahweh! Legal you turn white. Got that good credit now, right? Is it this one? The top video right here? I googled shocking next top. Didn't that be it right there? Ugly reality of the next bull. Yes. Oh, it is this one?
Found the most ugly truth in the Bitcoin chart, and this is the ugly truth about Bitcoin's next bull run top. This is going to absolutely blow your mind. You better be sitting down.
Will it really blow my mind?
My name is Steve. I went from welfare to minting millionaires with my courses, and I'm here to actually help you.
Is he actually minting millionaires?
Use crypto to get closer to your financial freedom.
I'll thumb up
Hit that
the video.
subscribe button right now. We're going to talk about Bitcoin's entire history here, and we're going to talk about 1, 2, 3, 4 distinct cycles that Bitcoin has played in.
Fast forward.
And your facts in the charts. And
selling courses next. Biz is having none of that. Next.
A 300.
Yo, hold on, Biz. MK did preface this with nobody buy the signals package. He did preface this before I pulled this up. He said nobody buy it. Hold on, let me move myself up in the top right corner. Shit. Okay, I'm gonna put myself right there. I'm gonna move the chat box over here. Down. Alright, cool. Bernie is an Agent Smith for the Matrix. He can change it to anyone. This math is weird. Next. My mind has been blown. Can I get a blowjob instead? He has a green screen because his actual room is a cardboard box. Don't buy. I am not stupid. No, this guy's sus as fuck. Fuck off, Bernie. Okay, I'll hear him out. Yeah, he did say not to buy it. He did. 327,000%. That's like twice. 100%. Legal Bernie has a trading channel. He is really Natalie. I have no clue what's going to happen. Just do the math and judge. I prefer to keep it open mind, especially when I believe the market is manipulated. Him, babe. I agree. No, I'm still gonna check it out.
7,000%.
I don't remember watching this.
From our
MK. Wait, MK. This is 2 weeks ago. You had me pull. I wasn't live 2 weeks ago. It was a different video. I watched. It must have been spin on it, legal,
to our
bro.
top was 327,000%, which is just ridiculous. But what's fascinating is that if you take this number and you divide it by 5.3, it predicted this next top. Meaning if you took 327,000, this number here, and you just divide it by 5.3, how did it predict this number? And you may say, well, that's just a one-off. If you just take this one to try to get this number, it's a one-time thing with this 5.3. Because Bitcoin ran all the way down from this $2 price point all the way up here. It's just a coincidence. It just happened to be this, but it's not. Because if we take this number, which again, Bitcoin rallied from $2 all the way up to 1,200 and something, which is absurd. But if you just take this 62,000% number and let's apply our same theory, let's divide by 5.3 again. There's no way that it could reach this number. There's no way that it would be that accurate in predicting the tops.
Yeah, it looks like Bernie's wearing a hat.
Let's run the number. And do it at home. 62,000 and change divided by 5.3. Keep in mind, Bitcoin went from this price and crashed all the way down and spent all this time at the bottom and doing all of these things, and month after month after month after month after month after month after month of a bull run, and nobody in planet Earth would possibly know where the top was. There's no way to know that. But if we took this number divided by 5.3, it equals this number. And that predicted the top years before it happened. So now we're 2 for 2. It predicted this top and it predicted this top. There's no way in hell that same number of 5.3 predicted this top years before it happened. There's no way. There's no way, right? But here we are, because Bitcoin crashed from 20K and we crashed all the way down to 3,000. And nobody knew what the hell was going on. A lot of people were calling Bitcoin was dead. Nobody knew what was going on.
That was in
and then we
2020.
went on this crazy rally, and it was really destroyed by this COVID crash. And there was all sorts of curveballs and chaos. And we had this double top, which for the first time ever, we had a double top, and it was chaos. It was all of these things Bitcoin has
Facts,
never
biz.
seen before. But years earlier, it already predicted the top. If you take this 11,600 and change and you divide that by 5.3, it already predicted the top years before the top happened. This is where things really start heating up.
Hold on. Okay. Let's fact check his math. Lena Inu still live. Let's go. All right, hold on. Wait. Come on, lick the microphone just one time before we move on. Okay, there we go. Okay, he said. Well, this is getting interesting. 11,691% divided by 5.3. 2205. 2206.56. So 2206 divided by 5.3 should be 416%. If the bottom was 17.6, so that percentage times 17,600, roughly 73k. That's sus as fuck. 450% close. What doesn't she do with that tongue? Boobs or truth, MK? Give it a chance. 90k. Wasn't the bottom 17.6 though? Well, recent. The local low. 17,592, just under 90k. Seems real to me. Hold on, let's keep watching the video.
And you can check the math at home. Do this number divided by 5.3.
My first meal
it
in this
equals this
cool
number. It
world,
gave us a
shout it.
percent. It said Bitcoin's next rally from our bottom to our top is going to be roughly 2,200%. That's what this theory gave us.
Stay away
It
from
wasn't
boobs,
right
sus.
once. It wasn't right twice. It was precisely right. Fascinatingly accurate 3 times in a row. Or in other words, for Bitcoin's entire history, this has been accurate at predicting Bitcoin's next top years in advance. The only number you really need to predict Bitcoin's price is the bottom, right? As soon as you know where Bitcoin bottoms, you just take the math based on the percent and you go from the bottom to the top. Now I'm going to unveil where Bitcoin's price target is. And we're going to do it from a few numbers. We're going to do it saying that this number where Bitcoin bottomed, where we believe it bottomed, is the number. And we'll do it for the folks
17,592.
that believe that the bottom is at
It looks like he's on the
10K,
month
okay,
chart.
or below.
Bernie, you finally
Now,
gone too
this
far.
is where things get really interesting, right? You have to know where the
I get
bottom
my milk
is,
straight
and you
from
just
the
take the percent and you go to town. But things get very, very interesting when you do that, because when you take this number, 2,200%, and you divide it by our 5.3, it's like 413%, right? Roughly 417, it's right around there. That's not a lot. So
416.
one could say, hey, Bitcoin has been losing steam. Easy to say. Any new market will be hot in the beginning and you won't see those returns ever again, right? So this diminishing returns, this is incredibly accurate, right? Ben talks a lot about this. It's purely based on fact. It's right in front of us. We're getting less and less return. You can't argue it. You can't.
Straight from
we
the
were at
tab,
327,000%. Then we went to 62,000. Then we went to 11,000. Then we're at 2,000.
Bernie,
That's
you've
right in front
officially
of our
gone
face.
to.
Now, the next cycle top should be
He's using his picture.
416%. It should be 416%
What's
from the
an
bottom.
MM?
But what
Market
else
maker?
is interesting is the past 2 cycles had exactly 35 bars, or
Why?
precisely
And what?
1,066 days. You can see it here. From our precise bottom to our top was exactly the same number of days. How crazy is that? 1,065 days. So let's talk about.
But if you do the inverse as well from finding the bottom, because I've done that before on my show, on my live, whatever, from top to bottom, previous bear markets. It was 83, 84%, 84.07%. The true, well, yeah. If you do 69K, 84% down was, what was it, like 12K, 10,000? There's not a set number. Hold on, 84%. It was like 84.06. Yeah, 11,000 puts the bottom there. Chocolate peanut, bro. MetaMask. That's what I thought he meant too. Is it MetaMask or Market Maker? I can't focus on anything but his shirt. Can I get a recap? He's saying from bottom to top, divide that by 5.3, and it'll call the top of Bitcoin. Oh, let's finish watching it.
First.
There's still
We'll talk
6
about
minutes
when
left
the
in the
top,
video.
and then I'm gonna
Might
unveil
be
the
jumping
price
the gun, I
targets.
guess.
When the
Possibly.
top, let's say this is our bottom, right? When the top, we're just gonna do 1,000 and what was it? 1,065 days, right? 35 bars. So 1,065 days, 35 bars will bring us to May 2025. So May 2025, it wouldn't be out of the ordinary for that to be our next top. So we have some years to come. We have some years to come from where we are now to get up to May 2025. But what's
You
gonna
said 413%, right? And it was 1,022, right? 1,066. Let's just do 1,060. 413%. That's only 72, 73K. I'll say, yeah, if his shirt matches his hair. You take the previous bottom, subtract it by itself, then add 69K will predict the current all-time high. Definitely sus. Jeez, cluck cluck double suck. My nuts have protein. Yo, what the fuck? What am I missing here? Hold on, wait a minute. What? Okay. What? You guys are on one, bro. Can't focus on anything. My nuts have protein. Cluck cluck double suck. Tease. Take the previous bottom. Yeah, spot on shaman. He looks like he's talking cheese wedge. It's definitely sus. I told you I would rather have done it off stream. I knew Bernie would be a wanker. Look at this dude. MK said 90K. 90K. Right here, 90K. Bernie. Yeah, Bernie's always a wanker, dude. Fucking cold tea drinking wanker. If bottom is in 90K. But wait, so with this model though, it's interested that he found that out, bro. That is interesting. 3Y7N1. What does 3Y7N1 stand for? It is interesting. Protein shakes for everyone in the chat, courtesy of Heartless Stoic. Let's go, baby. But 400% from the bottom right now is 72.9, 73K. How are you getting a 90K, MK? We keep watching.
How high could Bitcoin really go, right? Let's first do our measured move from below 10K. All those folks that are screaming we're going below 10K, let's make you guys really devastated right now.
I'm one of them.
Because we do not believe we're going below 10K. We called for the bottom to be in a little over 90 days ago, and there's been no facts in the charts that have come to change our mind. There's significant facts, and you can watch our other videos that the bottom is in.
Telling my
but
Bitcoin
we'll leave
90K
that
is
for
too
other
low.
videos. Let's do our measured move from 10K
Nice.
because again, in May 2025 we're going to reach our
selling my
top.
Bitcoin
but
at
let's say we
11K,
haven't
shut
bottomed
up.
yet, and let's say it's going to be about 10K, and we talked about 416% gain for our
That'd be
next
terrible,
market
bro.
cycle
If it hits
top.
10K,
So
that's only 40K.
416% gets us
45.
to $56,000 Bitcoin.
Wait, hold on. Wait a minute. No. Oh, let me
Is
keep
around
watching.
10K. Okay, pretty crazy,
How?
mind blowing. But again,
Wait, how did he just flash that number? I'm not tripping. 45,434, and he just said 56K. This guy's hair and shirt are throwing me off. What the fuck? They are kind of throwing me
If
off too. I actually
the
didn't pay
bottom is
attention to that.
around
I was actually
10K,
paying attention to the
okay?
chart and the
Pretty
numbers.
crazy, mind blowing. But again, we're talking about
No.
this
That's what I'm
number.
saying. Hold on. He looks at both sides. Yes, he is a weird guy, but I just listen to see what happens to the market.
That's been right Bitcoin's entire history at
But did you
predicting.
hold on? Did you see that?
Pretty
Hold on.
crazy.
He just said 56K.
15% gets us to $56,000 Bitcoin.
How is he saying 56,000 when the bar's top is clearly saying 45,000? Let's go do it ourselves. 416% from 10K. About right there. Oh, okay. 52. 460. Only 42K. 42K. And I'm actually a little above 10K right there. Not by much, but that's only 42,000. Where did he get 56,000 from? Am I tripping? MK, what am I missing here, brother? I swear I'm not tripping. I'm doing 416% from 10K. That is all of 41. No, that's the increase. 51,000. No, okay. 52,000, whatever. 52,000. I'm rounding up even. How do you get 56K? Whatever. Let's keep watching.
If the bottom is around 10K, okay? Pretty crazy, mind-blowing. But again, we're talking about this number that's been right Bitcoin's entire history at predicting the next top. I'm going to unveil this number, and I'm going to talk about, do I honestly believe we're going to hit this number? Because we believe the bottom is in, so it's pretty easy for us
If you haven't already, y'all smash that like button, baby.
416%
I'm
to
sure
see
everyone
what we're
here
going to
already
get to. All right, are you ready? Because it's not what you want to hear, but you will respect it because it's all based on facts. It's all based on facts, and then I'm going to unveil it. And then I'm going to talk about what do I think is going to happen. Do I think we're going to reach at this kind of a number, or this is highly unlikely?
The
Let's talk about
his
it.
background
So
matches
what do we
his
say?
hair, that matches his shirt.
416%, right? We think the bottom is in, so we're going to measure it from right here. And we're just going to go up. Right now we're at 300% and we're climbing. Bitcoin is at 379% and we're climbing. We're up at 416%, roughly 90K top for Bitcoin, and roughly May 2025.
That's what I was looking at wrong, bro. I'm looking at this. This is the increase. I see what I'm doing wrong now. I see it. So yeah, going back to that. Yeah, that does put it at 90K. I'm an idiot. I'm over here looking at this number. That's the increase number. That's the number adding to. That'd be interesting, dude. Yo, if this is right, bro, that's insane. Yeah, 90,000. Smash that like button extra hard when I entered the chat. Let's go, Crypto Jones. Someone told me Bitcoin will hit 1 million in 2024. Dude, if this works, bro, that's insane. But if it goes lower, that kind of sucks. I mean, let's say it even hits that 12K. And that 12K. What would it top out at? It wouldn't even hit. It would be almost a triple top. Yeah, if it hits 12K. I see what you're saying about the triple top. I keep it in my mind. No. That's interesting, dude. That's interesting. Even if it hits that 12K right there, that would be a triple top, bro. What's that high right there? 64, 65. Yeah, 12K Bitcoin would make it a nasty triple top. Eee. Imagine it takes 1,000 days for it to happen too. Let's keep watching.
Roughly May 2025, the price will be a roughly $90,000 Bitcoin. Okay, so now the question becomes, is this even possible? Because we heard for years Bitcoin is supposed to reach $1 million. Everybody's going to be driving Lambos. It's going to be at least $250,000, and everyone wants $500,000. Are these numbers? Which one could be more accurate?
If
What do you think? Put your comments down below. I'm about
if Bitcoin hits the market cap of gold, it would put it at $574,000. Not even $1 million. If it took on the market cap of gold.
to give my opinion. And this is opinion based on a lot of years inside
And I'm
of the
bullish on
charts.
Bitcoin, baby.
I love the charts. I love everything about them. And I only go based on the facts in the charts, not my emotional opinion. My emotional opinion, Bitcoin's going to be 250,000, 500,000, everybody driving Lambos. That's my emotional opinion. But when I look at the facts, this is more realistic.
This guy's a
90K
gold
Bitcoin,
member.
the next
I
market
believe
cycle
him.
top. Why? We've got a ton of turmoil over here at this 60K. We had a double top at 60K. It's going to be hell to break through that. And we've got diminishing returns that are right in front of our face. We can't argue with that. We went from this 327,000 to 62 to 11 to 2. These are in front of our faces. So 416% more realistic, right? People that are calling for 10x, 100x, that's just for clicks and views. And, you know, the education with the charts might not be there. I don't want to call anybody out, but we base everything based on the facts and the charts. Now, what we believe is going to happen is Bitcoin's going to shock everybody. The bottom is in, and the next top will not be as high as everybody suspects. I think those things we can all agree. Bitcoin likes to do the opposite, and as soon as Bitcoin starts moving, everybody's going to be saying 100K by next week. You're going to see it all over the media, all over social media, headlines, newspapers. Bitcoin's going to be coming up just around the corner as 100K, and we might not ever reach that with the next cycle. All right. So this 90K, do I believe that it's going to be precisely 90K? Nobody knows. But if we base it on our math, we look at this theory that nobody's talking about somehow, I don't know how, it's been accurate for Bitcoin's entire history. This is pretty fascinating. It's not what you want to hear, but in the same token, Bitcoin is at roughly 20K now, and to go from 20 something to 90 is pretty damn good. And you can't get that in other markets. You can't. So even with this diminishing returns, still incredible. But I wanted to bring this to your attention. What do I think is going to happen? I think Bitcoin's going to shock everybody. The bottom is in, and Bitcoin's price will probably top around this number, you know, give or take 10, 20,000. I think it'll be around this number. It'll be at a number that people are not comfortable with, and nobody will think that the top is in. But now that you have this video, you'll be ahead of the game. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you right back here in the next video. Share this video with one person who likes crypto. Just one person. Share this video right now. Send them the link to this video. Have them watch it and get their opinion. Have a discussion about it. Do you think I'm crazy? Do you think the math is pretty cool? What do you think? Share it with one person. I'll see you right back here in the next video. Peace.
You share it with buddy. I can't DM him. What the fuck? I shared the video and now I'm crazy. Nah, dude, you're not crazy at all, dude. That was kind of cool. That was cool. That was cool. But I'm sharing it with a friend right now. He asked me to, so sharing it with Brandon. I need to get an image of Brandon to add him to the stream. Jits and giggles. Oh, and Chris, like the picture you were mentioning. Sir Crypto. Yo, let's go, my boy. My lunk is probably worth like a candy bar. US EPA expected. Dave Smith breaks down the reasons Russia invaded Ukraine via YouTube. Oh shit. Get out. What's
The Joe Rogan experience.
Dude, this thing with Russia is just like the craziest thing in the world.
Wait,
like,
hold on. Are we pumping? Oh, let's go. 20,200, baby. Ooh, is it forming a head and shoulders? I'm off to bed anyway. Good night. I'd say trust him. Bitcoin hits 90K, sell it. If he's wrong, blame him. But at least you'll be up either way. Yeah, dude. I mean, that's not bad, bro. You're talking about more than a 4x right there. Equals Bernie? How's that Bernie, bro? Death by Snoo. Bring it. Biz. He looks at both sides. He's a weird guy. Buy again at 90K, 56K background. If his background matches dirt, snowball. 1 million by 2024. I'm going long now, Bernie. Gold member. Bitcoin drops it. 20 years from now, I do think people will be like, I can't believe Bitcoin was under 20K and we still use sheets of paper to pay for shit. You know what, dude? You're not wrong. You used to put stinky ass flammable liquid in your car to power it. Kind of funny to think about that way, huh? It is. Good night, Bernie. I shared this video. I'm crazy. You're not crazy. You're not crazy, MK. I like that kind of shit. That was cool. That was cool, man. Mad cool. Let's check this out.
The idea that we're actually flirting with a nuclear conflict with Russia is the most important priority in the history of humanity, is that America and Russia do not go to war. There's nothing more important than that. That's it. We'll destroy the human species if we do this. And yet there's this war right on Russia's border, and there's no effort to negotiate going on. There's like no effort. In fact, from very solid reporting, that actually America,
the video
through
did make sense.
Boris Johnson told Ukraine not to negotiate with Russia at the very beginning of the war, when they had a deal worked out. They had a deal worked out. There's been reported in multiple sources that they had a deal worked out, and the deal was basically that Vladimir Putin would pull back. He would pull back his troops and leave Ukraine under the condition that the very simple conditions that Ukraine guaranteed autonomy for the Donbass region and agreed to never join NATO. And like that was a deal. Like, okay, I'm not saying everyone thinks that's the perfect deal, but it's better than what we got right now.
It's better than nuclear war.
And
Agreed.
right now,
No,
just
MK,
the other day,
thank you for sharing
the
that,
official
brother.
narrative on this whole war, it's just like it makes no sense. And again, like I said, remember, the same people who are pushing this are the ones who are telling you Saddam Hussein had weapons of mass destruction and stuff. But the official narrative, Joe, is basically that, okay, so Vladimir Putin is a madman, a crazy war criminal who's hell-bent on reforming the Soviet Union, and this is a real threat that he could do this. But also he's getting humiliated in this war in Ukraine. So like he's losing to the poorest country in Europe, and he's just getting humiliated and beat back. But he's still a real threat to take over all of Europe, and he's a complete madman.
Wait,
by
is
the
this
way, Joe.
considered
But when he says he's going to use
the Joe Rogan podcast? Am I allowed to watch this? I'm not sure. It'd be fine, right?
nuclear weapons, don't listen to that.
See.
He'd never actually do that, even though he's a complete madman. And as everyone says, this war, the word they use over and over and over again, Joe Biden, Kamala Harris, Hillary Clinton,
Buy 1,000
all
Bitcoin
of them,
for the next 18 months.
unprovoked. Vladimir Putin led an unprovoked war in Ukraine.
Hope belief shows up
But
in
then,
dreams. I
just
won't
like with
tell.
Osama bin Laden,
What up, Legal? What
they
up,
did with him
G-Man?
then, don't listen to him. Whatever you
What's
do,
up,
don't
homies?
listen to what he's actually saying, because none of that's his motivations.
Smash the like,
Like what
homies.
his motivations are, what we tell you. Osama bin Laden hates us because we're free. And then like Ron Paul would just go like, yeah, but that's not what he's saying at all. Like Osama bin Laden was so clear about why he hated America. And he's like, look, I hate you because you murder innocent civilians in the Muslim world. You prop up brutal dictators in the Muslim world. You prop up Israel, who mistreats the Palestinian people. And you have your bases in our Holy Land in the Arabian Peninsula. And then they're like, nah, he hates us because we're free. Like, he didn't mention anything about freedom there. And then if you say that, they're like, well, are you defending Osama bin Laden? And you're like, no, I'm just saying listen to your enemies. There's a reason why he hates us. And if you listen to Vladimir Putin and what he's saying, I mean, look, he's wrong for invading Ukraine. And I mean, you know me, Joe. I'm the most anti-war fucking person there is. And there's no excuse for that. And like tens of thousands of people have died. It's horrible. And a lot of them are soldiers, but a lot of them are civilians. And but to say he was unprovoked is like insane. It's just only people who know nothing about the history of
It's
this
like,
conflict.
you know what? This whole Ukraine-Russia thing is just exactly like the Cuban Missile Crisis. Except Russia is in our shoes. I'm just saying. I don't know.
Say there was no provocation.
Did you see the conversation that Roger Waters had with that CNN guy?
Yeah, and right, because Roger Waters was awesome on that. Because he knows what he's talking about, dude. And he's right about all of that shit. Look, the promise, and this is what he was saying, and he's absolutely right, is that the promise when the Soviet Union collapsed in 1991, and this
Who's
was
this guy, Dave
like
Smith?
verbally promised and put in writing, was that NATO would not expand 1 inch to the east. And NATO at that point, the line then was through Germany. right? Like the
he's a
the
comedian.
western half of Germany
Damn,
was
he's
in the
spitting some
west,
facts.
and the eastern half was
Y'all
with
see
the
this
Soviet
shit?
Union. And they were like,
Fucking-
we'll
I
let
think it's a
all
honey
of these
pot, I don't know.
nations,
Shit
you know,
pumping
secede,
hard,
and the
though.
Soviet Union
Hold
will
on,
collapse,
next one.
and we're giving up on communism. It's one of the greatest things that ever happened.
78,000%.
And the deal was, okay, you do that, then we won't move NATO. We won't move our military alliance into your area that used to be your realm of influence. And every single president since then has moved NATO east to the point that NATO is now on Russia's border. And in Ukraine, even though they didn't officially join NATO, there was always talk of it. Kamala Harris, right before the start of the war, said we're looking to put Ukraine into NATO. And they put under George W. Bush, they put in Poland these dual-use rocket launchers. There's a big complaint that Vladimir Putin has that he's like these can be used to get nukes here in a matter of minutes. Like this is like a threat to us that we cannot tolerate. And then in 2014, there was a coup in Ukraine that was completely led by the West. And I don't know if you've ever heard, but like I think I sent you actually once the tape of Gideon Rose, who was the editor for Foreign Affairs magazine on the old Stephen Colbert Report show back when Colbert was hilarious, and he was just openly bragging about what the game is here. And then he was like, well, Ukraine is
back
kind
when
of
he
like
was
the
hilarious.
Robin to Russia's Batman. And so our job is to steal Robin away from Batman and make him come over here and join us. And Vladimir Putin's so stupid that he won't do anything. And then Colbert's in his old character. So he's like, well, shouldn't Obama be spiking the football and saying, yeah, in your face, Putin? And Gideon Rose is like, well, no, because then Putin might invade Ukraine. So we wouldn't want to spike the ball. But there's these...
Let's
here
play
it is.
Let's play it. Go from the beginning.
Yeah,
please.
play it from the beginning.
There's the magazine, Foreign Affairs.
Oh, they could show it on the TV. Yeah, that's
Now,
cool.
Gideon,
That's
help me
smart.
out
If you
here.
play something
We've got
behind you on
we've
a
got
TV, it
battle.
should be fun, right?
Ukraine, some
Oh,
of
no,
them
look,
want
he's
to go
showing it right
into
there.
the EU, the European Union, and some of them want to stay with Russia. If the Ukraine's not in Europe right now, what continent is it on?
Well, it's part of Eurasia, but it's part of Eastern Europe and the former Soviet bloc. It's basically Robin to Russia's Batman. And the challenge here is to try to attract it to the West, to get it to flip sides.
So the rebels in the streets, what are they fighting for?
They're fighting for a better future. Countries have a development.
That sounds like a political speech.
No,
Like,
but
what
it's
are they- what are
actually
they
true.
really-
Countries have to develop over time, and Ukraine basically,
Better
after
future.
the end of the Soviet Union, faced two tracks. It could stay a sort of stagnant, corrupt, authoritarian country tied to Russia, or it could essentially join the West. It could modernize, liberalize, become a democracy. At the last minute, when it looked like it was going to trade up from its sort of abusive relationship with its boyfriend from the hood to a nice yuppie.
You're not
you say
loading these
boyfriend from
choices
hood.
in
No, but
any way
it's actually-
whatsoever.
It's actually true. When it looked like it was going to trade up to a better environment, at the last minute, Putin offered a bribe.
How much?
15 billion.
That's a lot of cash,
It's a lot of cash. And the president, who himself was tied to the old elites and the eastern part of the country with ties to Russia, decided to back off the change and go
Do you know
join
how many
Russia.
pirate-themed restaurants you can buy with $15 billion?
The problem was the western parts of the country and the younger parts of the country and the more modern liberal parts of the country basically knew that they had no future being Russia's vassal. So they took to the streets.
Is America taking sides in this in any way? If these people, the rebels are winning right now, right?
Yes, just
So
recently.
why isn't Obama spiking the ball in the end zone and calling Putin and saying, hey, you might have won the medal count, but we won the country count, biatch?
Yo, what the
It's
fuck?
actually a very good question, and the answer is that we don't want Russia to intervene and kick over the table like a game of Risk and take Ukraine back. And so
Would they do that? Could he send in troops?
Yes, he could. So we are choosing.
Does Ukraine have any troops of their own? Would they fight back?
Yes, but we don't want this to escalate. We
dumping?
don't want Russia to crack down. So we want to basically
Hell yeah, it's
distract
dumping.
Russia. Oh, look,
Damn.
you have the highest medal count. Oh, you did really well. And
Is that
focus
possible?
on the Olympics.
Here's a shiny object. We'll just take
I
an
saw this whole
entire
pod.
country away from you.
You seen this one with Dave Smith?
Now,
Isn't that
there's a
funny?
power vacuum right now.
There's a power vacuum. The opposition is all together.
That
which
was
everybody-
years ago,
it's easy
man.
to
They're
agree
talking
on
about
getting
that with
rid of the bad
Colbert.
old regime, and much harder to
Colbert
create a
hasn't been good in
stable
years,
country in which
man.
Everybody compromises and moves forward.
But
So-
they need a strong leader to move the country forward. Do you know who's always good at a moment like that? Vladimir Putin. you think he might volunteer to come in and help Ukraine?
The reason we don't want Putin to get involved in this, and so we want to try and involve him in this decision so that he allows Ukraine to go. We actually want a non-exclusive relationship with Ukraine. You can have a relationship with it too.
You're the only one making this into a girlfriend-boyfriend relationship.
Ukraine is
Yeah, they do,
choosing
MK.
its future
You're right.
between two completely different.
It's chess,
courses of
not
action,
checkers,
and
man.
We're trying to blur that choice.
Why
so
use
the
our
other
resources
boyfriend
when
doesn't get
we
too
can use
upset
theirs?
when he makes the right
Jesus
choice towards us.
Christ.
So it's just all these George Soros funded NGOs were funding the militias on the ground who were overthrowing the government. And then there's a tape of Victoria Nuland, who was at the State Department at the time, one of the top people at the State Department, and she was basically talking about who
most
would
weed
be
is
the
from
new
Ukraine. You're
government
right.
that
You're
took
right,
over,
Tim
who
Shea.
America
I remember
didn't
reading
want
about
in,
that.
who we did want in the new government.
There was
So it's
a
not, what happened
huge
basically
risk of a
was,
massive
as
wheat
Gideon
shortage
Rose was even
going
saying,
on not
the
too long
Ukrainian
ago.
government was kind of siding
Is
with
that still
Russia,
going
or
on?
at least a
Actually, I
lot
haven't
more
followed that at all.
pro-Russia. And then we overthrew that government and installed a pro-America government. And this to Putin, he had said over and over again, was a huge red line for him. Like Ukraine was the big line. And you could imagine, take it from our point of view, if like Russia was coming over here and overthrowing the pro-America government in Montreal and installing a pro-Russia government there. Right. And this would be seen as, would you call that an unprovoked attack? Right. If we were to go in there and then go overthrow that government. So again, I'm not justifying what he's doing, but, and then the other thing to this, right, that's important to add is you remember the two big things that it's so weird no one, at least in the larger conversation, I don't see anyone connecting these things, is that there's two things involving Ukraine that were very big, that happened very recently in American history, that very much connect to this war. And one is that our last president was impeached over a thing with Ukraine. And what was that? And then the other thing is the current president's son was getting paid millions of dollars from a company, Burisma, in Ukraine. And these things all connect. And basically what happened was, after the 2014 coup, this company, Burisma, they were, and by the way, Matt Taibbi has done incredible reporting on this. I highly recommend everyone read his stuff, his Substacks. Incredible.
Yeah, he's fantastic.
Unbelievable. But so basically, Burisma was in bed with the old government that had allied with Russia. And so when this government was overthrown, they were very worried, because they were like, oh, we were in bed with the old government, and now there's this new government who's in there. And so instead of bribing the new government, they just went right to the source and bribed the son of the sitting vice president. Joe Biden, when he was vice president, was in charge of Ukraine policy. So they just went, that was why they put him there. And then they put some other CIA guy or something like that on their board. They're just paying him money to just be like, hey, keep us in with you. And then Trump was telling them to investigate all of this shit. He got on the phone with them and was like, I want to investigate everything that was going on with Joe and Hunter Biden in Ukraine. And Donald Trump did. He got into an area that there's an argument it was not okay what he was doing, because he was kind of going maybe you don't get these weapons that I was going to send in unless you go investigate them. And this was his political opponent, so it was a little bit of a shady thing. But then the other story about that is that ultimately Trump caved and he sent in the weapons to Ukraine. So now not only did Obama overthrow the regime when Joe Biden was the point man, Joe Biden was running Ukraine policy, Obama leads this coup, overthrows that government and puts in a pro-Western government. Then Trump comes in, sends in a whole bunch of weapons to this new government that Obama wouldn't even send in because he was concerned it would provoke Russia. And then the next president is Joe Biden, the last guy who was the point man on Ukraine, who was there when this coup happened. Then he comes back in. And this is all the context that led to Vladimir Putin invading Ukraine. So again, I'm not saying, and the other little thing I should mention there too is that Donbass region on the eastern portion of Ukraine is majority ethnic Russians. And they got really pissed off when the new government came in 2014, and they were basically warring with the Kiev western portion of Ukraine since then. And they had a referendum in 2015 and voted overwhelmingly that they wanted to be a part of Russia. And Vladimir Putin didn't take them. But they voted that they wanted to be part of Russia, not a part of Ukraine. So it's just a very complicated mess. And it's the same thing with the war on terrorism. If you're going to tell this story of what led to this, to understand where to go from here, the story has to include that America was intervening in the Middle East.
Oh shit, I didn't see your comment, Chrissy. Hold on.
The story can't just...
Let me read that. This guy's chatting shit. What happened in 2008 when Russia invaded Georgia or annexation of Crimea? Russia can never be trusted. Ukraine has the right to defend its territory. Voted and no transparency. I agree with that. I agree. Yeah, UK. I mean, yeah, the Ukraine definitely has sovereignty to defend its own land for sure. Agreed with that. Hey, G-Man, what up, dog? Must be friends with Ukraine because they have large amount. Top 10 in the road. Voted and no transparency. What do you mean by no transparency? Voted and no transparency. What do you mean by that, Chrissy?
Start at 9/11. You know what I mean? And so,
I mean, he is a
I
comedian.
guess the biggest part is what I said before, that the concern of all of us should be just that there's no nuclear conflict between America and Russia, which seems like we're like dangerously close to.
I don't know, that whole Nord Stream pipeline thing. What do y'all think about that? Free porn, plastic, and endocrine disruptors, seedles, and all. No sunlight, families destroyed, but parents working, restaurant down 50%, printing endless money, no religion or guidance, terrible public schools, red media's attack. This is how you destroy society. Absorption is a real bitch, in it. Bitcoin spot per prim. Russia allowed them to vote for annexation and no transparency. We did it. We did what? Okay. Oh, you're talking about Crimea or Ukraine? Hold on. Let me see. Read your prior comment. Oh, invaded Georgia or annexation of Crimea. Yeah. Russia can never be trusted. Oh, I see. Allowed them to vote. Yeah, and they didn't. Yeah. I think so too. MK. I think good old Brandon did it. He definitely did it, bro. I mean, he was on record saying we'll do anything possible to stop it from happening. And then magically 2 explosions go off. Let me see if there's any news on that actually. I don't know. It's all sus. EPA expected to propose electric cars to be eligible for renewable fuel credits. Sabotage suspected. I'm not gonna watch this. Yo, even Fox News is trying to blame Russia? What?
Welcome back to Fox and Friends.
That's
the Nord Stream
insane,
pipeline's
bro.
blown up and leaking tons of methane into the atmosphere. The U.S. calling this a deliberate act of sabotage, while NATO threatens to retaliate. Our next guest wrote the book on Putin's playbook and says all signs point to Russia for this dangerous attack. Here to explain is Russian-born former U.S. defense.
Rebecca is one of the reasons we don't believe or trust our government. Uh-oh.
Intelligence officer Rebecca Koffler. We've been debating this, Rebecca, all day yesterday on the show. Look, you wrote the book on Putin's playbook. You say that the U.S. government is correct. That this was Putin.
U.S. saw this as a way to weaken Russia further. U.S. used Ukraine to gauge Russia's strength. It worked. It was 2 ins behind.
I'm a little bit doubtful just because
you're good,
our
Sean.
government has
You're good,
lied. They said that Hunter Biden's laptop was
Russia's pretty weak, dude.
The same player started the Russia hoax, so I'm always skeptical.
You really think they did it just to gauge how strong they are? So if they did it to see how strong they are, I mean, that only really leads towards nuclear warfare. That's very irresponsible. I don't know. My take.
Of course, I understand, Rachel, that U.S. government cannot be fully trusted these days 100%. But on this one, I actually have written an op-ed on the Fox News digital website where I outline 5 top reasons why Russia is most likely behind this. I'm 99% certain of it. Here's why. Russia has the motivation. It has the doctrine that it developed specifically for this situation. It has the capability, one of the few countries, to do it covertly. It has demonstrated intent that I described in my book on page 14. And finally, Nord Stream pipeline was no longer a revenue-producing capability for them because Nord Stream 2 never became operational because Germany refused to certify it as punishment for Putin for waging war on Ukraine. And Nord Stream 1, the Russians shut down in August because they claimed that sanctions prevented them from repairing the pipeline. So they had no use of it in the short term, and it presented an opportunity for them to conduct industrial sabotage just like they planned.
So let me just push back just for a second here. So they could, if assuming that in the long term these pipelines were working, they could turn the pipelines on or off. These are this is Russian-owned infrastructure. They're hurting their own country, their own.
The media has never faced repercussions for a lie has spread to the public. Someone needs to hold them accountable.
Well, here's my response to this one.
If Russia invades, there will no longer be a Nord Stream 2 reporter. But how will you do that? It's in Germany's control.
Because Putin will not stop waging war on Ukraine. The outcome of the situation in Ukraine is an existential issue for them because it's part of the strategic security perimeter on which Russia relied for centuries. And that is why Putin decided that NATO membership for Ukraine is a red line. But the revenue that the Russians
the environmental
have
damage
lost
is pretty bad, Tim Shea. I don't know to what extent, but I know it's really, really bad.
$55 billion joint Russia-China pipeline, the power of Siberia, and additional export earnings from non-Western countries such as, not just China, but India, Afghanistan, including the Taliban, the Russians are making deals with. So, and Russian Nord Stream part is only 51%. The rest of it is European
500,000 tons of methane.
You make a good case. I'm still not convinced, but I'm willing to consider that for sure, Rebecca. You definitely are a great source of information and a reliable one. We'll have to get you back to talk about it. Thank you so much, Rebecca. Love having you on the show.
Thank you, Rachel.
I'm Steve Duke.
Yeah, I don't know what it is about the Rebecca lady, but I don't trust a single goddamn thing she just said. The biggest thing is the Ukraine becoming part of the UN. If it happens, will take place. Yep, MK, I agree. Not all this bullshit. They need to concentrate on fixing it. What up, Seiko? 5 times more. When released into the atmosphere, it's initially more than 80 times better than carbon dioxide at trapping heat, although the effects taper off over time. 3 separate leaks. The exact amount of gas is unknown, as much as 500,000 metric tons. Damn. 5 times more than the largest leak up to that point in Aliso Canyon in California in 2015 and 16. Nearly 1 billion gallons of gasoline. Few days of methane emissions from fossil fuel production. 35 million metric tons. This doesn't mean that the leak is small. It means that oil and gas is really leaky and really emitting a lot of gas. Honestly, it doesn't sound that bad. Especially when you say 135 million metric tons is emitted from the energy sector. I mean, it's still a lot in a couple days. I guess I live 20 minutes away from Aliso Canyon. Oh, really? Do you remember that leak in 2015 and 16? Did it do anything ecologically to the areas? The surrounding areas, Heiko? Did you have to like stay away from anything? Or, I mean, was there any real impact? I guess is my question. I mean, the leak in Russia, or well, the Nord Stream pipeline leak is 5-6 times worse apparently. Is it gassy? Can you light a match? The climate disaster. Or its smell. Could be worse. Oh my god. I'm gonna subscribe to your shitty ass. website. It already seems like clickbait. A climate disaster. I know lots of people are complaining about headaches. That's it? I guess the effects would be more long-lasting. Sovereign gets hacked for $1 million. Sovereign. DeFi protocol on Bitcoin. More sideways action. Nothing on Twitter. CEO Parag is set to receive 42 million if removed from Twitter per Reuters. Been CEO for 12 months. When a main gets a leak, they whistle. So what I hear is there was an agreement for Russia, Ukraine, UN. They broke the agreement and Russia is mad. Yep. In conclusion, Ho's mad, Dr. Shaman said. No, I'm playing. Not really. I mean, okay. I think one of the best examples we could use is if all of a sudden Russia decided we want Mexico and we want them to tout our rhetoric and the way we do things, and we would just be okay with it and do nothing. I don't think we would do nothing. They have gas storage in the canyon underground that was. I mean, do you think the U.S. would just sit on its hands and do nothing? I don't think so. I don't know. What do I know, though? What do I know? Yeah, I think it's very, very similar to the Cuban Cuban Missile Crisis. But I think it's worse because obviously the Ukraine is bordering Russia. Like, it's right there. It's not on an island. I mean, how far is Cuba from Florida? Like an hour and a half on boat or something like that? I might be thinking of a different island. How far is Cuba? Time what? United States canceled the peace talk. What are you talking about? Steve? No. How long does it take? $90 miles? Yeah, I thought so. Average non-stop flight. 12,000 miles. 400 miles. What? Let me just go. Miami! Dude, the Bahamas are so close. Holy crap. I didn't realize how close they are. Hey, look at Cuba's right there, bro. Key West, Florida, too. Look at that. Look at how close that is. To Havana. Russia is in a weakened status, so why would the West agree to terms when Ukraine keeps winning? Oh, hold on, let me catch up on here. Something about Zelensky. United States canceled the peace talk. I think it would all stop. 90 miles. South Florida, I call it North Cuba. North Cuba. I've never been to Florida. Zelensky was open and so was Putin. Ukraine is a United States state, basically. Key West has a tourist attraction that it's the most southernmost part of the USA. Pretty sure it says 90 miles. I'm back, mis chingones. ¿Qué pasa todos? What's up? What's up, Ed? How's it going, bro? Chillin', man. Chillin'. Fort Lauderdale, Miami, Hollywood, Boca Raton, West Palm Beach, Orlando, Fort Myers. Edward Vincent, yes sir. Chillin' is. Yeah, man, you know the vibes. Key West. Fry Tortugas National Park. What the hell? Is there an actual island there? Loggerhead now in the lighthouse. Bush Key, Long Key, How Key. That's so crazy, bro. There's so many little, just tiny islands, middle of nowhere. Cayman Islands. The infamous Cayman Islands. Grand Cayman. So crazy, bro. On the rocks. Check-in grill. Rankin's jerk. Anyone ever been to the Cayman Islands? Parker's National Park. Puka West Restaurant. But weakened status. So why would the West agree to terms when Ukraine keeps winning? Yeah, that is the narrative, huh? Ukraine is kind of winning. They're holding their own. I mean, they're getting billions of aid and tons of money. Hey, thank you, bro. Appreciate you. You tagged Elon Musk. Appreciate you, man. I was actually about to get out of here. I'm hungry, man. Gotta eat dinner before it gets too late. It's already 6:30. Need to get a little bit of sunlight. Walk post meal. For that circadian rhythm, baby. I'd love to go. Love to go where, Shaman? I forgot what I was talking about. To Miami? 727, bro. 627 over here, bro. They can rewatch. It's all good. You're right, Crypto Talk now. You're right. You right, bro. It's real, y'all. Oh, man. Been a good one. Learned some shit. Learned that I don't trust the government. Cayman Islands. Oh, to the Cayman Islands. Yeah. That'd be dope, right? Take care, homies. Much love, man. Thank y'all for hanging out. Cayman Islands would be dope. I bet it's beautiful as hell, man. I bet it's beautiful as hell. Talk to Shaman. Who is that, bro? Is that a corn star right there? All right, homies. Take care. Till next time. Well, till mañana. Tomorrow, 8 a.m., baby. 8 a.m. Central, 6 a.m. Pacific, 9 a.m. Eastern. I will see you. My mom has been there. No way. Heck yeah, Shaman. All right, y'all. Peace.